Welcome to OT Theme Sections app. First, let's visit our design library. We have a variety of designs for you to explore. You can use the search and filter to find the design you want. Click Add to Theme to add the design to your theme. You can choose the theme you want to add the design. You can also preview the design before adding it to your theme. Click on Manage section to go to the section detail page. You can go to the theme editor from here. Go to App Embeds and enable OT Theme Section App Embed so that the designs work correctly on your store. Don't forget to click Save. Back to your page, let's add the design to your theme. Click Add Section and find the design you just choose. Add it to your theme, then you can customize it the way you want. Click Save after you finish your work. My Library is where you manage all your designs. You can remove the design from your theme or update it to the latest version. Consider upgrading to our Plus plan if you want to access all of our design library. One flat monthly price, no extra fee. You can try Plus free for 3 days. Cancel anytime.